And that includes all sorts of stuff. Lots of u sub in there. E to the x is in there. Du over u. We saw one of those on warm-up. Long divide. When do you have to long divide? Well, I guess you always have to long divide, but there's when the top degree is greater than the bottom degree, then you have to long divide. And even then, that's not your answer. That's what you then take the integral of after you long divide or synthetic divide.
Would you be willing, if you have any videos on my long division, because I have not done that in so long.
We'll do one.
I've actually been taught it.
Definite versus indefinite. That means it has limits. Definite. Pardon my handwriting. Has limits or bounds. Right, so that's like 0 to 2 versus indefinite, which doesn't have anything. So 0 to 2 leads to an answer. Indefinite leads to a plus C. Right? Yes, no? So pay attention to that. If it's got limits, there's an extra step at the end, right? Top minus bottom, after you integrate. Two derivatives of inverse trig. So those three rules, you just have to know them. The derivative of arc sine, arc cosine, arc tangent. You just got to know the rules to take a derivative. And there's one that says find an area, but an area under a curve, right, is the integral from a to b, whatever function you're looking for. All right, multiple choice. There's two trig inverse problems, like the pre-cal only type questions, not calculus, no derivatives, no integrals, just pre-cal problems. There's a bunch more integration problems. There's two that are integration, but that are specifically u sub, where make sure your bounds are also u values. So like when you change the integrand into u stuff, make sure you change the upper and lower bounds to u stuff. Don't leave those as x. And that's kind of the whole point of those two questions. And then 6, just old school review type questions, some of which are similar to the warm-ups that we just did.